Remove front bumper. Upper screws.
To do this, you must first remove the radiator grille. Open the hood and remove the 3 screws on the top. At the bottom, the grille is still hooked into the bumper. Push the hooks backwards and pull the grille upwards at the same time. Now you can remove the 2 screws of the bumper on the top.
Lower attachment.
The bumper is attached to the underside with expanding rivets. First, pull out the inner part of the expanding rivets, and then the outer part.
Screws to the side.
The bumper is attached to the side with 2 screws. Remove both screws. Now you can pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. After all previously shown screws and expanding rivets have been removed, the bumper can be removed. In the middle there is the central plug of the electronics. Unplug.
Remove headlights.
After the bumper is off, you can remove the 3 screws of the headlight. To unplug, pull out the red lock. This releases the connector and allows the headlight to be removed.